Submit to the Famisapo Niseko website. Then use Google Translate for the English translation. Click on the menu on the top left of the page. Click on How to use Famisapo. Click on User Registration. Fill in the relevant details. Leave the question about intentions regarding tripartite meetings blank. This is because we do not have any English-speaking staff. However, if you'd like to have an interview, please let us know when you make a booking in the future. Lastly, click Send to submit your application. A copy of your response will be emailed to the address you provided. A link to the Family Support Line account will be provided, so please add us online and send your name and email address to the chat. Next up is how to make a reservation. Go to Click here to make a reservation. Click on Please book here. Choose your desired appointment date. Reservations can be made up to 12 p.m. the previous day, but we may not have any caregivers available. Therefore, we recommend that you book well in advance. Choose your desired time frame and then press Next. Fill in the relevant details. Choose Not Desired for the part about a three-way interview, and then press Next. If you'd like to have an interview, please let us know at this point. However, please understand that we may not be able to accommodate your request if we are unable to arrange for an interpreter. Confirm the details entered. If there are no mistakes, click on Confirm Booking. Your reservation is now complete. A tentative booking accepted email will be sent to your provided email address. Please install Line and add us there if you have yet to do so. This allows us to contact you and ensures a smooth reservation process. Once a caregiver has been decided, the advisor will create a line group consisting of you, themselves, and the caregiver. They will confirm your booking details through the group chat. If there are no problems, the booking is confirmed and we will proceed with the appointment. On the day of the appointment, please measure your child's temperature and send it to the line group. The caregiver will also do so. Please note that the appointment will be cancelled in the following cases. If a family member is a close contact, if your child has a fever above 37.5 degrees Celsius, or if they have flu-like symptoms. The same applies to the caregiver. When the session starts, the caregiver will send a start message to the group. At the end of the session, they will send end to the group. This is used to check if there is any difference compared to the reserved time and to calculate the fee. If you need to extend the session, please let us know through the line group. The extension fee is the same as the normal fee of 400 yen for every 30 minutes. It will still cost 400 yen even when it is under 30 minutes. Additionally, please note that even if the session ends earlier than the reserved time, the fee for the reserved time frame will still be charged. The invoice will be sent to your provided email address on the 10th of the following month. Payment can be made via credit card or bank transfer to our Postbank account.